In this video, you are going to see how to insert the checkbox in Google Docs, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have two lines. I want to insert the checkbox. Just select it. Click on this option, bullet list, and you will see this option. Click on over here. Then the checkbox will be inserted. If I click on right button and click on it, then the checkbox will be added, but here is the strict true, so I have to remove it. Now select these two, click on right button and click on don't stick through when checked. Now if you click on this, then the checkbox will be added. There is another option. Go to insert, go to symbol, go to special character, and right here check. Then you will find various checkbox over here. You can add them and you can write like this. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.